This video will be showing you how to change the engine oil and filter on machine models 718, 818, and 821E series with the Cummins QSB 4.5 liter engine. Reminder, you can pause and rewind the video at any time to read slides or watch any of the procedures again. Please read this disclaimer slide before continuing. The engine should be at operating temperature, approximately 140 degrees Fahrenheit, before beginning the following procedure. Caution: the fluids and machine components will be extremely hot while you're performing this work. Take precautions to avoid bodily harm. Open the engine compartment door. Using a 13mm socket, remove the lower engine cover. In your Sennebogen supplied toolbox, locate tool part number 122657, the oil drain adapter. Clean the oil drain fitting with a rag before removing the cap to prevent debris from entering the system. Install the oil drain adapter onto the engine oil drain fitting. Drain the oil into a container with a minimum 15 quart capacity. Clean the oil filter with a rag, especially where the filter meets the engine. Using an oil filter wrench, remove the engine oil filter. Please pause and review this slide regarding the pre-filling of the engine oil filter. Apply a thin coat of clean engine oil to the filter seal and remove the clean side plug of the filter. Install the new oil filter. Follow the instructions printed on the side of the filter for tightening specifications. An excellent way to keep track of your maintenance is to write the date and hour meter reading of the machine on the filter with a paint marker. Open the top engine access door. Clean around the oil fill cap with a rag to prevent debris from entering the system. Remove the oil fill cap located on the engine valve cover. Insert a clean funnel into the oil fill hole. Fill the engine with engine oil. Specifications and capacities can be found in your engine maintenance manual. Clean around the oil dipstick with a rag before removing it to prevent debris from entering the system. Remove the dipstick and wipe with a clean rag. Reinsert the dipstick and twist to lock it into place. Remove the dipstick again and observe the oil fill level. The oil level should be anywhere between the full and add mark on the dipstick. Reinsert the dipstick and twist to lock it back into place. Reinstall the lower engine cover. Finishing steps. If there is an adequate amount of oil in the engine, you may now start the machine and run the engine at low idle for a few minutes to allow the oil to circulate through the engine. Then shut the machine off and recheck the oil level. Top the oil off if needed. This concludes the video on how to change the engine oil on a 718, 818, and 821E series Sennebogen material handler. Thank you for watching.